natin ang second batch ng Little Miss Philippines for their talent presentation.
Kasabihan po tayo, ang batang uminom ng gatas, kumikinis at tumatalino. I thank you. The Wolf and the Lamb. Once upon a time, a wolf was slopping at a spring on a hillside. We're looking up, we're chasing, but the lamb just began to drink a little down. There's my supper. Do he? If I all can find some excuse to Zizi, Jenny Cola the lamb. How dare you mow the water from which I am drinking? Nay, master, nay, said Tom. If the water be matter after, I can't be a cause of it from the front and from you to me. Well, then, said the wolf. Why did you call me bad names? This time, last year, that cannot be, said the lamb. If it was not you, it was your farm, and we got rush about a full little lamb. And wara, 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 ha 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 ha, ate her all up. But before she died, she got fed up and his kisses her at the child. I thank you. liwag bakan. When I grew up, I want to be a billionaire. May kasabihan po tayo, kuting man ako sa inyong paningin, ako ay nakakaping din. Meow, I thank you.
Sasabihin ko ang country,
Capital,
Brunei,
Bandar Seri Begawan,
Argentina,
Buenos Aires,
Bolivia,
La Paz,
Germany,
Berlin,
Andorra,
Andorra la Vella,
Denmark,
Copenhagen,
Indonesia,
Jakarta,
Madagascar,
Antananarivo,
Bahrain,
Manama,
Iceland,
Reykjavik,
Jordan,
Amman,
North Korea,
Pyongyang,
Malaysia,
Kuala Lumpur,
Morocco,
Rabat,
Oman,
Muscat,
South Africa,
Pretoria,
Syria,
Damascus,
Sri Lanka,
Colombo,
Thailand.
Bangkok.
Thank you.
Thank you. Magandang tanghali pong muli mga Dabarkats. Opo, tama po kayo. Ako po ang batang Itbulaga. Nasa Caloocan City nagmula. Drew Alison de la Cruz ang pangalan. Tiyak, di niya nalilimutan. 5 taong gulang nga lamang. Sa aking kalbihan, tunay na pagkatatandaan. Mabuting kasanayan, manood ng may kasiyahan. Pagkatanging Itbulaga lamang, magbibigay katuwaan sa ligayang hatid sa katanghalian, busog mga mata at tiyak, di ka, nga. I thank you. Titirikan tang nang busikek, ek, baba cicang. Titirikan tang nang busikek, ek, hiriwang mangsoy, carakang mangsoy. Tidak baba cicang tirikan tang nang. Tiring cariakang kangawat, busikek, ek, bangsoy lang. Titirikan tang nang busikek, Baba cicang, titirikan tang nang busikek, siriwang mangsoy, carakang mangsoy. Tidak baba cicang tirikan tang nang, tiring cariakang kanguwak, busikek, biaya busikek, yaba busikek, cadayak kemaday busikek.
Thank you, Sachi, Jewel, Regina, at Drew. Maraming salamat din sa kanilang mga Vaseline mommies. Mommies, take a bow. Well done. At hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang ating pre-judging.
Yes, may third batch pa, so abangan nyo sila sa pagbabalik ng Itbulaga.